bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthy recipes. Pardon the appearance, it is 9 a.m. We're about to walk the dog and I just thought I would to do the video here for you. So we're making lemon bars with a twist. So I decided to do a lemon lime combination. We're using the juice and the zest of lemon and limes, and just because we're getting into the warmer weather, and I just thought it would be a great combination. There are eggs in the recipe, and so we're getting some additional protein in there. We're using some coconut flour, we're using some almond flour, and I'm also sneaking in some ground flax into the crust just for some extra fiber. They come together really quickly. They're in the oven for I think 22 minutes, something like that, and then we're sticking them in the fridge for a few hours to get nice and cold and firm, and then we're going to sprinkle them with some powdered sugar, and they are citrusy and delightful, and they're so great. I love lemon bars. You guys know I love lemon desserts in general, so I wanted to do a little twist on this one. So I hope you guys really enjoy this recipe. We had some guests over yesterday and they loved them. So thank goodness for that. So I do have some in my fridge and they freeze beautifully as well. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make these healthy lemon lime bars. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to grease and line an 8x8 baking pan. Let's go over the ingredients for the recipe. We will need 1 1/4 cups of almond flour, 1/4 cup of ground flax, and 1/4 cup of coconut flour. We will need 1/4 cup of maple syrup. This is for the crust. 1/3 cup of melted butter or coconut oil. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla. For the filling, we will need 1/2 cup of lemon juice and 1/4 cup of lime juice. 3 eggs plus 1 egg yolk. We will need 1/2 cup of maple syrup, but again, you can use any sweetener you like. A tablespoon of lemon and lime zest combined. Tablespoon of coconut flour. And this is optional, but I am adding 2 servings of collagen powder to up the protein. Let's grab a large bowl and we're going to make our crust. We're going to add our dry ingredients first, and we're going to give them a mix before we add our wet ingredients. You can customize the sweetener in this recipe, guys. Use whatever sweetener you like. I'm adding my melted butter. I did brown the butter, but you don't have to. Again, you can use butter, vegan butter, or coconut oil. I'm using maple syrup here. A little vanilla. I did add my salt to the dry ingredients. And we're just gonna give everything a good mix until all the dry ingredients are well hydrated. Perfect. I've added the crust to my baking pan, and I'm just going to use my spatula to flatten the crust and ensure that it's in a nice even layer. We are going to bake the crust at 350 for 15 minutes until it's lightly golden. Once the crust is in the oven, we want to make our lemon lime filling. We are going to grab a large measuring cup. I just find that this is just easier to pour into the crust later. I'm adding my lemon lime juice. I'm adding my collagen powder now because I would like to dissolve this before I add the rest of the ingredients. And I'm going to use my frother, which is one of my favorite gadgets in the kitchen. And this ensures that the collagen gets nicely incorporated. I'm adding my eggs, my maple syrup, again, use any sweetener you like, I'm using a combination of lemon and lime zest. And I'm going to give this a good mix before I add my coconut flour. We want to ensure that this is ready before the crust comes out of the oven because we want to add this to a hot crust. What is important here is we must sift our coconut flour into the filling so we don't get any lumps. Once the crust is ready, we want to decrease the oven temperature to 325, and while the crust is hot, we want to pour our filling. Back in the oven at 325 for 20 to 22 minutes until it's just set. A little jiggly is okay. We want to let this cool at room temperature for 30 minutes, and then we want to refrigerate for a minimum of 3 hours. Once you're ready to serve, you're going to dust it with powdered sugar. Use any powdered sugar that you like. And you're going to then cut into 16 squares. Enjoy these lemon lime bars. 5 grams of protein per bar. They are zesty, they are creamy, they are so delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these healthy lemon lime bars, let me know in the comments below. I will include the measurements and ingredients in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.